Right now on Fox 35, we were there the moment a deputy walked out of jail. He's accused of tacking a woman he pulled over during a traffic stop.
Did you inappropriately touch a woman? Do you have anything you'd like to say?
Anything to say?
Anything
He hid behind a towel and would not answer our questions, speeding off after bonding out of the Seminole County Jail. And ironically, he worked at that jail as a guard. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Luann Sorrell.
And I'm John Brown. Now, this alleged incident raises a lot of questions, like what do you do if you feel like you're in danger during a traffic stop? Fox 35's Stephanie Buffamonte joins us live outside the Seminole County Jail today. So, Steph, after you tried to talk to the deputy this afternoon, you did some digging to find out what drivers can do in a situation like this, and what'd you find out?
I did, and just to back up, the woman says that she was driving, the deputy pulled her over, and that's when he touched her sexually. So she went to the department that day to report what happened to the sheriff's office. That's what landed the deputy, the former deputy, here at the jail. I tried to talk to him when he bonded out, and he didn't respond. Did you inappropriately touch a woman? Do you have anything you'd like to say?
Anything to say?
Former Deputy Andrew Berkvist refusing to answer my questions. The person who picked him up tried to cover his face with a towel. He's accused of inappropriately touching a woman in a sexual manner during a traffic stop on Monday. The sheriff's office says the victim reported it.
I find probable cause exists for the charges.
Berkvist was once a detention deputy at the prison. Thursday, he was wearing a different uniform as he faced a judge in handcuffs. He worked in the prison until 2020 when he became a deputy sheriff. Now he's off the job and charged with sexual battery and false imprisonment. Criminal defense attorney Whitney Boan tells me you can take steps to protect yourself before you pull over.
Safety is tantamount.
She says if an officer signals you to pull over in a dark or remote place, put on your hazard lights, slow down, and drive somewhere public and well lit.
But go very slowly so that the officer knows you're aware they're there. They know that you are intending to comply with the traffic stop. You're not trying to flee.
Boan says if you don't feel comfortable during a traffic stop, start recording on your phone. Ask the officer to call for a second officer to respond to the scene so you feel more at ease. But her advice if the situation gets out of hand and an officer touched you sexually.
I would fight back. I mean, I honestly, if it's me as a person, again, I hope nobody ever finds themselves in that situation. And it's such a tough place to be, especially when we're talking about armed police officers and you're not armed and they have the power of the law and you don't, and you're in a completely vulnerable situation. It's not unreasonable if somebody actually touches you to, in my opinion, go ahead and defend yourself.
And the sheriff's office says if this deputy has done anything inappropriate to you in the past, to call them to report it. Reporting live in Sanford, Stephanie Buffamonte, Fox 35 News.